Hello, Divine Kinship. It's Karma, and I pulled out a Healing Waters Oracle card for us. Today's energy, I've felt a little bit sad, and it's been hard to shake that feeling all day, so I'm not sure if it's part of the collective or something going on with me. It's probably both, but definitely a little bit sad today, so I wanted to pull out some healing guidance for us. The Waterfall, it speaks of inner power, unbridled confidence, claiming your place. Something is activating with an incredible force. You are in a place of power. You are about to leap into the unknown waters. Next to a waterfall, we feel the energy of the water all around us. You are being called to embrace the power within. Embrace your moment with inner empowerment.